Student, those who live in our country at home, welcome from online class Musafir Haji Abdul Batin High School. I am Ubaidul Haq, B.A. Senior Shikha. Today I will discuss English first paper for class 9, Unit 8, Lesson 4. Lesson title Lake Baikal. Dear student, every student, open your English for today book. English for today page now. Dear student, please open your English for today book page now 118. Dear student, at first look at the picture and talk about it. In the picture, I can see a source of water. It may be a lake. Beside the lake, there are some hills. Dear student, now the second question B. Work in pair and answer question the following. Work in pair. Work in pairs and answer the following question. Pair words X or myself. What do you think it is? Y. My partner. I think it is a scenery of lake. X. Myself. X means myself. Where is this situated? Y means my partner. This is situated in the center of Asia. X means myself. Are you familiar with something like this? Y means my partner. Yes, I am familiar with some of other lakes like this. Dear student, now read the text and find out if you are guess question 1 and 2 are right. If question 1 and 2 are right. Now I will read some important words and its meaning. Dear student, listen carefully. If you listen carefully, then you will understand the text. Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the biggest and most ancient lake of the world. Situated almost in the center of Asia. Lake Baikal is a gigantic ball set at 445 meters above sea level. This grand, enormous, unusual and charming miracle of nature is located in the south of eastern Siberia in the Buryat Autonomous Republic and region of Irkutsk, Russia. The lake is covered 31,500 square kilometers. It is 630 kilometers long and an average of 48 kilometers wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometers. The water basin occupies 5,57,000 square kilometers and contains 23 cubic kilometers of water, which is about 1/5 of the world reserves of fresh surface water. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meters. The average depth of lake is 730 meter and its maximum depth is 1620 meter. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to fill Baikal's basin and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams and brooks now flowing into Siberian Lake Sea to do the same. There are hot springs in the surrounding area of Lake Baikal. The quality of the water of this spring is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter producing this water. Boikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and sunny. The water of the lake look green and dark blue. But if the wind gets stronger, Boikal turns black. Waves rising high with white crest. The beauty of Lake Boikal is excellent. Now, dear student, how I am writing some important words and its meaning. If you write this words meaning, you will enrich your vocabulary. At first, look, deepest adjective is innermost, ancient adjective primitive, gigantic it is adjective enormous, charming it is adjective, fascinating autonomous adjective, self-governing, maximum it is adjective most, excellent adjective fine or brilliant, powerful it is adjective strong, occupy it is verb hold, enormous adjective massive, miracle wonder, average now it is noun mean, sunny it is adjective bright, brooks noun stream. Now student look question number D, match the words with the meaning. Every student look your work, match the words in the meaning. Words A miracle, B brook, C basin, D crest, E exceptional. Meaning words A one romantic one small stream, romantic 2 top, romantic 3 outstanding, romantic 4 an acts believed to be caused by God, romantic 5 ball shaped depression filled with water. It answer our miracle means an act believed to caused by God. Brook means a small stream. Basin means ball shaped depression filled with water. Exception means outstanding. I am now beside student look answer A plus 1 4, B plus 1, C plus 5, D plus 2, E plus. Now student read the text, see in again and complete the chart. Every student look at the chart, Lake Boikal information. Location, setting place, length, width, maximum depth or utmost or highest depth, extended over an area or occupies an area, amount water. Again, location is almost in the where Boikal Lake location, almost in the center of Asia. Boikal Lake's setting place in the south of eastern Siberia. Length of Lake Boikal 630 km. Width of Lake Boikal 48 km. Maximum depth সর্বোচ্চ গভীরতা 1620 meter. Extended over an area 5,57,000 square kilometer. Amount of water 23,000 cubic kilometer. Now student make a list of attractive features of Lake Boikal. F look page number 119. Make a list of attractive features in the lake. Make a list of attractive features of Lake Boikal. First, deepest lake in the world. It is the deepest lake. Lake Boikal is the deepest lake of the world. Lake Boikal, it is located in the south of eastern Siberia, Russia. Lake Baikal situated in the southern eastern Siberia. It is 630 kilometer long. Lake Baikal is long 636 kilometer. Average depth is 630 meter. The water of Lake Baikal green and dark blue. The beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional. Now I will discuss this lesson. I hope if you listen this lesson carefully and write the vocabulary, then will get good result. When your school reopen, you discuss this lesson to your class teacher. Now I will finish my lesson, and thank you from online class Musafir Haji Abdul Bahadur High School. Thank you all.